Hi friends, Suzanne here. Welcome to another Card Kit of the Month video. In order for me to send you this card kit right to your Canadian mailbox, all you have to do is enter this host code when you're shopping with me. It's that easy. There's more information about this card kit and my loyalty rewards at my blog, sunstampin.com. Before we get started, I wanted to mention that each active member of my team also receives card kits of the month for just being on the team. So if you're a customer of mine and think you may miss out on this customer perk by signing up for the starter kit, don't worry. Actually, team members get treated like VIPs by me and get quite a few additional perks. If you've been thinking about joining up for the best deal Stampin' Up can offer, like a continuing 20% discount, purchasing products before they're released to the public, and access to a whole lot of free inspiration, please consider joining my team. I will leave a link in the description box below. Well, hi friends, this is embarrassing. I thought this video was edited and out there in the world of YouTube, and it was sitting in my computer waiting to be edited. I am completely embarrassed. It's kind of, well, you know what? I make mistakes too. So please accept my apology. This is the card kit for the month. I am happy to say it was made with masterfully made designer series paper. There is a square and a rectangle that goes on to a basic white rectangle. You can mix and match the patterns, the colors, the cardstocks. Yeah, you can have fun with this one. And I am using the stamp set Irresistible Blooms. Yes, it's an online exclusive, which brings me to another thought. I'm actually really pleased that I can give you a heads up on a new stamp sale. Stampin' Up is having a stamp sale on the 19th, 15% off all stamp sets, but not host codes and sadly not online exclusives. And this is an online exclusive. I do have an online class with this. I have 8 projects. It's big. It's a lot of fun, but sadly it's not a part of the sale. And I don't make the rules. So anyway, I'm stamping with Night of Navy ink, and I'm just using the Hello. Of course, in the kit, you're going to get a longer strip because I don't know how big your sentiment is going to be. So I'm happy to just trim that down, and you can have a bigger strip if you need it for your sentiment when you put this card together. Doesn't have to look like mine. Hopefully you'll have some fun with it. So that is my card for today. You can see all the supplies I used listed below in the video see more section or in the supplies section of my blog, and those fast links are going to take you to my Canadian online store, where I would love the chance to meet you and earn your business. Thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.